What it do, Team DMS? If you guys remember this young lady from my last video, I told y'all she was gonna color her whole head. But what I did not know is she was gonna come back and want a bright red. I did think that she was gonna kind of go with the more subtle red, but bam, y'all know I love color, so that was just like the bomb for me. I couldn't believe it. I kept asking her like, "Are you sure? Are you sure?" So we're waving her down with Main Mint Foam. Y'all know y'all can get that at mainlifestudio.com. The top of her hair is not relaxed and her sides is relaxed. So what I'm doing is just molding her sides and then I'm clipping the top to kind of stretch it. And then once she comes under the dryer, we're going to go ahead and get started with her cap. She is doing like a side bang style, so we're only doing the cap in the top. Y'all know I love my partial quick weaves. So y'all just stay with me. Now, I never really like slow this part of the video down because I have done so many quick weaves over time on YouTube, so it's just like redundant. But I do realize that I get followers that haven't seen old videos, so with the closure, I know some people kind of do the round and round and then smash it with the iron. I do not do that. I've been doing quick weave since before, I don't know, a long time. So what I do is just roll the hair and you continue to roll it, roll it, roll it. You do like a test tuck to make sure it fits. If it's too big, it's too small. And then you just keep rolling it and you just stick it in there just like that. So we're going to go with the Bronner Brothers Spritz and Shine. And I'm just, spritzing that over just so the hair will stay. She wanted it kind of short. She did buy 8-inch hair, but it was absolutely too short for the bang part. So I did add some 10-inch hair in there as well. The hair that she is using is Premium Now. I'm sorry, it's in the yellow pack. And then the red hair that I had, I have no idea what brand it was. It was very old. And make sure you guys check out my Amazon store. I do get a small commission from anything that you click on there. And even if you don't buy anything off my list and you buy something off Amazon, I still get credit for that. So support your girl, and I appreciate all the ones who have supported me over the years. Thank you. Okay, now I'm just going in with my Tinkle razor. That is available on Amazon as well. Or if you want it right now, go to your local beauty supply store. They should have it. I am saturating her hair with the Kenra dry oil. And I'm flat ironing her hair with the Paul Mitchell 1 1/4 flat iron. But the more I use this flat iron, it's like I don't think I like it for weave. This is the flat iron that I usually use to do silk press with. So as you can see, she was feeling herself. I really wish I could have gotten like a full front view, but I had the camera like behind her. So this is the finished look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you again for the next video.